Alright, here's a video on self-care for fingers, hands, wrist, elbows, even into the shoulder with self-massage. And if you are experiencing pain in any of those areas in your arm period, trying to do this multiple times a day, so after your shower routine or or in the evening as well, and really using it to help you explore to find where there's tension and then digging it out. So I'm using this baby oil that in Switzerland I got this from the co-op. It's a better quality oil because it is for babies and it's much more affordable than some of the other stuff out there. So it doesn't take much. Just put a little bit of oil on my hand, and then just starting with this, I'm starting with some massage, especially in the thumb pad and the pinky area, and then combining and really squeezing like that. So using the thumb pads to massage each other, and then into more of this, so almost like this wrist pump position, and then from there digging in, even creating this handcuff, and then helping move through that. And once again, the oil is just less friction, so you aren't burning your skin. So doing that on both sides and going back to that, so using that squeeze, getting those thumb pads, getting in the grooves in your hand as well. So you got your tendons, you got a lot of stuff rolling through there. Getting that groove around the wrist as well. So that's the great start. You can start to open up those hands and the fingers going through here and really getting in there. It becomes this wonderful movement as well. So the massage and you massaging yourself becomes this mobility routine as well as releasing tension. So from there, get a little bit more oil. So again, starting there, and now I'm going to start to go into my forearms a little bit more. And these spiraling motions, especially in and around the elbow. Using my thumb really to help dig in. And I can also use the bones of my other arm if I have a lot of tension in my hands and I'm starting to get more tension just by massaging. I can use that in a variety of different ways, using my forearms as well to dig deeper here, in and around the elbows, your triceps, biceps as well. So really spending some good time on the elbow joint itself. Once again, get enough oil to where you're not taking the hair off your arm or burning your skin. But these kind of spiral grooves here, using your hands in different ways, so you can still massage some of these other areas. So on this hand, I can get good massage by using it on these other parts, and these clicks and pops, and really getting this great release everywhere. And so you just make your way on up. And once again, these spirals are best, using it like this. If you need to dig in deeper, you can, just to see if there's deeper tension. Triceps holds a lot of tension in around the elbow. Just finding different ways of digging in and exploring. Coming back to the wrist if you need to. So for me, my right side, my wrist, I recently had fallen rollerblading. So I'm constantly working on this as well. So when you don't have time to do the whole lotion routine, oil routine, coconut oil is amazing as well. That you can just spend your time just working on the mobility. And then if you have other exercises like these pull-throughs or doing some wrist pumps or other things, you can combine that after this as well. So daily doses at least twice if you got a lot of tension and clicking and popping and that kind of stuff going on. And if you're still not getting into it, you might need to get that massage love up into your neck. There we go.